it's like a noise that's coming from the rear tire. This is a, maybe take a freeway too. Go on the freeway and come around. Today is like 4/8/25. We're in a 08 Sienna, and the owner is mentioning that when it is cold, it makes more noise, and when it's warm, it makes less noise. And the original complaint is it has a humming noise, and now it's coming more of a scratchy noise. And what's our mileage now? 148.
148.
So we're reaching 150,000 miles. Is this car bought new?
Yeah. First owner, brand new.
From California?
Yeah.
And it's pretty much spent its life in California? And we have no car accidents back there, right?
One time, it's not an accident, it's just on the railroad track, so they pull it back maybe, what do you call it, maybe mess up the alignment or something. That's the only time.
Oh, but nothing in the back?
Nothing like that.
Oh.
Maybe the one they pull, I don't know, they pull from the railroad track.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they pull it out to the railroad track. I can think of it, but something like that.
Okay. And then when you change tires in this car, nothing's strange. All the tires are pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm trying to hear now is I definitely hear the noise. I'm gonna take off my shoes. So we crawled back here, and now we're trying to feel the.
You got that noise?
Yeah. So it's definitely on the passenger side. You can exit and come back. Yeah. All right. So we'll go back and we'll maybe jack it up and see what is going on down there. It's possibly there could be a wheel bearing. All right, risk her out.